say what you want about Jeannie Mai.
I'm really working on finding my voice.
Have you thought about what does the next version of you look like with baby Jay in your arms?
It's been a minute. 2 years, actually. And in that time, life didn't just change for me. It cracked me open and showed me everything that I've been trying to mask. I went through things that I wouldn't wish on anybody. The kind of pain that shakes your faith and makes you question everything. A chapter of my life ended, one I once shared right here. And what looked like an ending became the awakening I never saw coming. Because I realized how far I had abandoned myself, how often I traded peace for making broken things look whole. And when everything fell away, it stripped me down until the only person left to meet was me. And then, there she was, the one thing that never let me forget who I was. Seeing her run toward me, it pulled me right back into who I have been becoming. And the wildest part, the 2 years I feared most became the years that saved me. Coco didn't just grow up, she softened me, the woman who never wanted kids. I found a language I thought I couldn't speak. And it wasn't motherhood I was avoiding, it was the parts of me I hadn't learned to hold, the tenderness, the softness. And as they returned, the whole world shifted into view in a way that I have never seen until now. I've seen oceans, temples, mountains, but seeing the world with my daughter, nothing compares. In Vietnam, between teaching her the ocean for the first time and sand, she wasn't just discovering the world, she was helping me recover from it. For years, I mistook chaos for love. I didn't realize how much of me disappeared along the way. And traveling with Monaco revealed every place I still needed healing and every part of me that needed to be held by me. And after everything I've lived through, the wins, the wounds, the rebuilding, this is the first time I've truly felt whole. Because healing isn't a finish line, I've learned. It's a reparenting. And somehow, she has helped me meet the mother that I was always meant to be.